Goedemorgen, es sind Dan von Luxembourgish with Anne. Now, in this pronunciation lesson, I will go through sounds such as I or A. Now, these sounds are called diphthongs. Are you ready for the lesson? Bist du bereit für die Lektion? Los! Now, what is a Luxembourgish diphthong? A diphthong is a combination of two vowels which together make a new sound. So we have several diphthongs in Luxembourgish and I will go through them now, and as I go through them, watch my mouth position change as I pronounce them. Okay? Let's start with I. Next, I. So as you see, the two diphthongs E, and AI are pronounced the same, I. Next one, A. Next, I. Next, O. Ow. And the last one, Oi. Let's start with the two diphthongs I and I. Well, as you see, the EI diphthong and the AI diphthong are pronounced the same, as in the English word buy. Heiser. Now repeat after me. Heiser. Good. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Daya. Daya. Fire. Fire. Let's move on. A. Now here you have the A sound, as in the English word to say. Beispiele, examples. Deia. Vei. Schnee. Frei. Leeren. Next diphthong. This is the I sound. Now listen and repeat I. So there is no equivalent in English, so just listen to me and repeat. Let's start with mine. Wine. Weiß. Reich. Great. The next diphthong. O. So this is the O sound, as in the English word go, to go, O. Examples, Beispiele. Wo, wo. Rot, rot. Frau, Frau. Ko, ko. Brot, brot. Good. Now listen to the difference between the single vowel O and the diphthong O. Froh, Frau. Did you hear the difference between froh, Frau? So you see how important it is to learn the Luxembourgish pronunciation. So to make yourself understood in a conversation, for example, at work or in a test. Okay? Great. Let's move on with the next diphthong. Now this diphthong has two different sounds. Let's start with the first one, ow. So it is pronounced ow, as in the English word now. Examples, Beispiele. Haut. Now repeat after me. Haut. Aua. Aua. Bauen. Bauen. And now this diphthong can as well be pronounced ow. Ow. And then it is pronounced long. Okay? For example, hout. Hout. Do you hear the difference between hout, which means skin, and haut? Haut, which means today. So the ow sound is pronounced short and the ow sound is pronounced long. Okay? Let's continue with the long sound. House. House. Mouse. Mouse. Bauch. Bauch. And here is a word which has the two a, u sounds. Sauerkraut. Repeat after me. Sauerkraut. And let's move on to the two last diphthongs. Oi and oi. As you see, these two are as well pronounced the same. So they have the same sound, oi, as in the English word boy. Moyen. Moyen. Moyes. Moyes. Euro. Euro. Europa. Europa. But now Luxembourgish has as well French words. So we have words which took over in our language from the French language. And then the diphthong OI is not pronounced oi, but it is pronounced as in French wa. Examples. Droit. Droit. Coiffeur. Coiffeur. Toilette. Toilette. So don't say toilet. We don't say toilet. We say toilette, as in French. Good. Now I want to add in this lesson the following two sounds. Y, y, and w, w. Now these two sounds are not called diphthongs. So these two vowels always go together, but they don't make a new sound. Therefore, they are not diphthongs. So we slide from the first vowel, for example, E, to the second vowel, Y, W. Okay? Let's have some examples. We start with the sound Y, such as in lesen, lesen, 16, 16, isen, isen, and this one is very important because we use it every day. Wieder, wieder. Now you will find this same sound, so this y sound, in some one-syllable words ending with the letters er, such as mir, mir, vier, vier, or Bier, beer. Okay? Good. Let's have some examples with the sound w, such as fuhren, fuhren, holen, holen, urstzeng, urstzeng, mur, mur. Good. And here is a sentence for you to practice aloud. Are you ready? Bist du bereit? Los! Ich iessen haut 18 an drinken deure rode Wein zu Bresel. I repeat, you listen and you repeat after me. Ich iessen haut 18 an drinken deure rode Wein zu Bresel. Einfach, oder? Easy, isn't it? Now, do you want to learn to speak Luxembourgish clearly and confidently in any conversation, such as at work or in a Luxembourgish language test? Then I can help you. Now, there is a good way to learn, to practice, and to improve your pronunciation with my Luxembourgish online course. Now, this course is for everyone. You are a beginner, you are an intermediate learner, and you want to improve your pronunciation, then this course is for you. So start today to master the sounds of the Luxembourgish language, so to use the language in your everyday life without worrying about whether or not people will understand you or switch immediately to another language. So check out my Luxembourgish pronunciation online course. I have put a link in the notes below. Thank you for watching. Merci für Zugucken.